Welcome to Module 3. This week you will have the opportunity to use Google Presentation as you collaborate with your peers on a group project highlighting some Web 2.0 tools. You can use Schoology to initially communicate with your group members. Make sure to state which web tool you plan to present so that your group members don't choose the same tool. You will also want to exchange email addresses at this point. Early communication will be important because one member will need to create the initial Google presentation and share it with other group members. Once you've logged into your Google account, go to Drive, click Create, Presentation. You can select a theme you like here, give it a title, up in the top right hand corner it is currently set to private, which means I'm the only one with access to it. You'll need to change that. Down below you can add the email addresses of your group mates. Make sure this is checked to Can Edit. That will give editing rights to all participants. Make sure to notify people via email is checked. You can even add a message here if you'd like. Click Share and Save. Here's an example 3.2 activity that I did with some colleagues. We have our cover slide here. Please note in the top right hand corner is the comments box. You can use that to have a running conversation as you work through your project. In part 1, each group member will create one slide that showcases a Web 2.0 tool other than Facebook, Twitter, or YouTube that can be used to support your curriculum. Please note that in order to facilitate part 2 of this assignment, you will need to complete your slide by Thursday, June 20th. The specifics for each individual slide are located within Activity 3.2 in Schoology. In part 2, each member of the group will go in and review the slides created by all other members of the team. In the speaker notes for each slide, provide your name or initials and comment on the pros and cons you see for that particular tool. Here, Angie has left me some comments. There's a scrolling bar to the far right. And here I have more comments from Linda. The final presentation will need to be shared with me by Saturday, June 22nd. So make sure I have included here in the share settings. You will find the required elements for your slide in Activity 3.2. You will also find your group, the rubric, and a Google presentation tutorial as links at the bottom. I hope you enjoy this online collaborative project.